You don't want to waste your dead friend's meat, do you, boy? I thought he was over his body, caring for him, but no, he wants to eat him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I witnessed that. I honestly can't believe I saw that. I was videoing the dead bird, him eating him, and then the blooming car killed him. There'll be another bird now trying to eat them, and another one will kick it. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. You were eating your friend just a minute ago, boy. Now he's splat there, look.